Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of August 23rd, 2016. Charts are provided to this presentation courtesy of Trade Navigator from Genesis Financial Technologies. And we're looking at a weekly bond market chart. I'm getting a little tired of this, I'm sure you are too, but we've got bonds in a tight little range coming off of the high here. And I hate patterns like this. They're predictable. They're going to break out one way or the other. They're not going to stay sideways. What's not predictable is the direction nor the time, and that makes it a little frustrating. Uh, Going into this week, we could look at the 170.24 area as being support, which so far it has been, and potential resistance up around 174. But really, the best way to deal with this market is to wait for them to go below 168.24 or above 175 and, try to go with them once they do. I don't have a lot of confidence that they're going to do that this week. There's not a whole lot of anything in the way of the economic horizon report-wise. Basically, the big deal for the week is Janet Yellen giving a speech in Jackson Hole on Friday, and Fed chairmen have had a tendency to say big things at that speech before. I'm not sure she will this time, but that's really all we got to look forward to. So, it's very frustrating to know that you're unlikely to get a breakout, but still look for that. And that's what we're doing here in the bond market. Stocks aren't a whole lot better. You can see how tiny the weekly ranges have been here for the last few weeks. This is huge here. No, it's not. Just look at the last few weeks and compare it to what you can see for the previous year or so. Very tiny. That's not going to last. They're going to break back out and get more normal volatility going, but when? After Labor Day, maybe? The Jackson Hole speech Friday? Who knows? There's not much to tell us that something's happening here. We came into the week looking at the 2174 area, which they have held so far, and around 2194, which they haven't quite gotten to yet. But here again, the better move, if it's going to happen this week, is going to be above 2200 or below 2140. I don't know that either of those are terribly likely, but that's the best chance you'd have to make really good money this week, is if they would make a move like that. And again, kind of tired of this. We're sitting waiting for a movie like that, and we're 5, 6 weeks into waiting, and we got nothing to show for it, really. But you got to deal with whatever the market gives you, and that is the correct way to deal with them, or that's the way they look this week anyway. So that's what we've got for you. I sure hope you can find something profitable to get into.